So as you can see, I've cut up the entire chicken in here. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to dump this entire butter chicken sauce in there. I've never done this before, but this is the first time I'm going to do this. I usually just leave it like that and eat the traditional rotisserie chicken, non-flavored, but I figured why not. So I'm going to just dump it in there to give it the curry chicken flavor. And you can add whatever flavors that you want to the chicken, but this is the best way to do it. And I'll just mix it up and put it in the fridge, and then in the mornings I'll put this, my rice, my vegetables in the rice cooker on the keep warm settings. Then I'll dry for 6-7 hours. Whenever lunchtime hits, I stop. Then I'll have a nice warm lunch. Time for me to mix it up. So that's the chicken all mixed up. It's about 1 pound of chicken. And yeah, I'm all set. I'll just close it up, put it in the fridge, and then warm my lunch tomorrow morning.